If I was going to tell you one tip not to do in business, would be to stay away from negative people. Try not to hire negative people, because you can have the best people in your company, the people that bring you the most money, but if they have a really poor attitude, they will poison your culture and bring it down. Sometimes it's not who you hire, but who you fire. A little thing creatively that I did that saved me a ton of money when I didn't have it, when I was for marketing for supermarkets. So you know that in order to sell to these stores, if you want to do demos in the store, a lot of stores won't let you do that because they want you to pay a broker to come in and do that. $5,000, $10,000, $15,000. It can get very expensive. I was willing to pay my people to go in and to do grassroots marketing, but they wouldn't let me. So I was like, what am I going to do? And the thing is, my products are very fresh and they have to go on the shelf or they'll go bad and they won't keep ordering the product. So I thought about this brilliant idea. I went out to the store and I bought loads of candy, sorted, and I put a piece of candy in each case of product and shipped it out. Weeks later, I got calls from all kinds of supermarkets saying, we got to tell you, every time your product comes, everybody fights. Our employees fight to see, they look for it to see who can put it out on the shelf first because they're looking for that piece of candy.